after everything's installed, we're going to just take a 1/4 inch bit, this top hole, the top front arm, drill the hole. Do the same thing for the other side. That's going to be the top anchor for your hole opener retainer. Okay, now that you've got your hole drilled, you're going to run your 1/4 inch bolt through it. Hook your nut on. You don't have to do it tight because you're fixing to put a cable on the inside of that. Go ahead and shut it down. Alright. Once you get all your 1/4 inch nut and 1/4 inch bolt through, you're going to take cable, your 2 ferrule clamps, line it up on your crimper. Squeeze tight, just crimp that tight. Make two different crimps. Okay. Okay. Once you get this on, take a 1/4 inch washer, 1/4 inch nut, and hook your cable up. Get it snug. Take your 7/16 nut driver. Go ahead and snug that up as tight as you want. Then what we're going to do, next step, is tilt the fan back, measure how long it needs to be to connect it to the bottom anchor. Okay, once you get the right length, which again just determines fan to fan, you have to just try to figure out which one's going to be the right length. You're going to take the cable, you're going to take a 1/4 inch washer, a self-tapping screw that came in your hardware pack. Take your 1/4 inch bit, 5/16 inch self-tapping screw bit. Get the self-tapping screw started. What you're going to do is try to make sure you line up accordingly. That done, again you'll take your 7/16 nut driver, top the top off. Again, if you have any excess, just go ahead and take your snippers and snip it off. Okay, once you got everything installed, you got 2 basic movements. One, the fan at a 90-degree angle. The other, with the fan halfway down.
Okay.